Hi. So now I believe that you have shortlisted your products to try for your export business. There are absolutely no reason that you can fail in this method provided you work. Because I see that people who take action, because this is a proven method for our clients who have been taking actions and who are able to get the export orders. So the only one stumbling block for your success is not working or you're trying to make it perfect. Because I see people who strive for perfection, they find it hard to fix on one product with an thought, what if something happens or some failures that comes after working enough for that particular product. Leave that thing because I told you in the last session, you can be successful in export business if you know what to do, when to do, why not to do, how to do, and how not to do. So, to give you that input, that's my job. So, that is what I'm doing. I've come to the stage experimenting different things and where I've seen and tasted both success and failure. So, what I'm speaking is not out of some theoretical book, or I'm not speaking as a trade policy maker. I'm seeing every single day different type of clients who are able to see success and not able to see success. And the only difference is they are not working and they are not going full heartedly with their choice. If you are a perfectionist who's watching this um, course, who is doing this course, I'm not labeling you. You have a great future because you are the person who can grow. Though you find it hard to get it started, you will grow the business exponentially. But my kind request would be at this stage, you are sailing on a safer zone. You are not risking yourself. So if you have been already part of that mastery course bundle, you will see the clear development of exports. And the most important thing I would say is a businessman should always believe their intuition, but you have to match it with the data available and then take the steps. So you would know right away when you're doing these steps, your intuition would say it will feel brighter. Yeah, you are doing the right work. But the next stage, you have to do the ground level of work because if you have already seen in blueprint, I kept on insisting on blueprint for the successful exports because I have covered the main stumbling block and steps for the successful exports. So in that, the planning and preparation makes a huge difference. So in this session, we are going to see about how you have to do the preparation. What are the questions? What are the details you have to consider? So once you have shortlisted the product for exports, the first immediate thing you should know what are the variety or category or variation of the same product. Even any product you take on earth, it will have different variety and categories. So that is the absolutely first thing, which you can identify even through the Google search. Next is the specification of each variation. Say, for example, if you say even the castor seeds, it can grow in Tamil Nadu, it can grow in Andhra Pradesh, it can grow in Gujarat, Maharashtra, but each seeds differ uh, in sizes, specification, oil content. So you should know the specification of each variations and which will be the strongest or which is used for a particular season or preference. And then the end use of purpose of each specification. Specification is just the detailed description. Then you should know the places of known for production and exports. If we take certain products, it could be manufactured in any part of India, but certain places will dominate in exports. And the buyer very well knows that he can get that product from that place. But it depends upon your information and knowledge. Even if the buyer is going to say that they can buy for such rates, you will immediately know, okay, he's going to procure from this mandi or this place or this area. There you can differentiate what is the huge advantage for buying from you, because people just gone are the days people say like quality, quantity, leading manufacturer producers. People nowadays they are ready to pay extra if they are able to have a smooth business operations. That you can do it in number of ways. Negotiation is my most favorite part of business, because through which we can do wonders and miracles.